Uba Vincent H. Pala MP Gishilong, Uloang Bakaseng Udp Kam Dei Banle Arsap, Habakabu Ikimat Jingdawa Nakasorkar, Hakabe Day Bad Kijing Bakla Jong Kasorkar. Habai Krim Ginong Thok Kubor Kakanyo Trik Uchilio Aja Arpoi Hashilong, Uba Pala Uloang Bahabami Kindram, Hakatanat Babat ke NPP, Katahak MECL, ke Udp ke Dawa Tohkit Tang. Mintapat bagajah Tnad social welfare, Hakabe bagajing poi shilak berni ukau sha Assam, ke Udp gade bandawa jing Tohkit kumju. Dagaboang baga Udp ru gade bandawa kumju ke jing Tohkit hakajing shalan tu yu doyong, waladai Tnad kampo yeng labado menteri ubade pej nakaseng Udp.
I've seen that the UDP Medba has written a letter to the chief minister demanding that there must be inquiry in MECL. I've seen Jimeno has written. I fully agree with them. Whenever there's a suspicion, whenever there's controversy, there should be inquiry. The same thing now, when there's a problem with the NPP, now the problem is with the rice, especially in the rice which you said is supposed to be controversial. It deals with the students. We have almost, I was reading in the website, we have almost 8,300 schools and almost 3.85 lakhs on students only in the primary and 1.5 lakh students in the upper primary who are totally depend on the midday meal. So my question is that all these allocations from the center has come, but lockdown was there. Where all this rice gone? Number one. Number two is that SNP, Supplementary Nutrition Program, and that also we used to get a sanction of 6 crores in a quarter or maybe in a year, but I saw on the website. So all these, supposed to go to lactating mother, it's supposed to go to undernutritious because the government, they are trying to achieve the SDG, the Sustainable Development Goal. So we should not be underweight. We should not be, megalia is very common in stunting also. So all these, I think, people will not believe the Prime Minister or the MP by saying, oh, there's nothing happened. I fully support the idea of UDP to set up inquiry when it happens to UDP or to NPP. Now also I think the UDP should support another inquiry when it happened to the UDP. I'm 100% sure that the UDP is responsible for all these rice issues. Why they keep quiet? Coal, why they keep quiet? All these portfolios are with the UDP. So the main people who are responsible this is the high level from the UDP. In Janda Hills, you're right, there's very common issues that low level and high level. The high level means all the people in UDP who are involved in all these issues. They should set up inquiry and come clean. Let inquiry be conducted, then let them come clean with it. There's nothing, no problem. They can set up inquiry. That's what I exactly want to express.